Hi, Tom. I've been thinking about how to improve my English vocabulary. Do you have any ideas?
Hi, Sarah. Absolutely, there are some fun ways to do that. First, try reading simple books or stories in English. It's a great way to learn new words.
Oh, that sounds nice, Tom. But what if I come across words I don't understand?
No worries, Sarah. Keep a small notebook with you and write down unfamiliar words. Then try to find their meanings later.
That's a good tip. What else can I do?
Watching English movies with subtitles can help too. You'll see and hear new words in different contexts, and it makes learning more enjoyable.
Sounds interesting, Tom. But how do I practice using those words in sentences?
Try making simple sentences using the new words you learn. For example, if you learn the word happy, create a sentence like, I feel happy today.
I see that makes sense. Any other suggestions?
Yes, play word games. There are many apps or board games that focus on expanding vocabulary. It's a fun way to learn and remember new words.
Great idea, Tom. I'll give that a try. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Sarah. Just remember, the key is to make learning enjoyable. Take it one step at a time and you'll see improvement in no time.
Kindly show your support by clicking the like button.
Hi, Jake. I was wondering if you have any tips on how to improve my English in just 1 month. I have a test coming up and I really need to get better.
Hey, Lily. Sure, I can help. First thing, try watching English cartoons or kids shows. They use simple language and can be fun to learn from.
That's a good idea, Jake. What else can I do?
Reading children's books is another great way. They have easy vocabulary and it helps you understand sentence structure.
Okay, I'll give that a try. But what about speaking? I'm a bit shy when it comes to talking in English.
No worries, Lily. You can practice with me. We can have short conversations every day. That way you'll get more comfortable.
Thanks, Jake. That sounds helpful. And what about writing?
Try keeping a simple diary in English. Write about your day or anything you like. It will improve your writing skills and vocabulary.
That's a great idea. I'll start a diary tonight. Any other tips?
Yeah, try using language learning apps. They have games and exercises that make learning English fun and interactive.
Perfect. I'll download some apps. Thanks for helping me, Jake. I feel more confident now.
No problem, Lily. Just practice a little bit every day and you'll see improvement. You got this.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hey, Alex, I've been thinking about how to improve my English quickly. I have just 1 month before my English proficiency test, and I really want to do well.
Oh, that's great, Emma. Improving your English in a month is definitely doable. What are you thinking of doing?
Well, I've heard that immersion is key. So I was thinking of surrounding myself with English as much as possible. Any suggestions?
Absolutely, Emma. One of the best ways is to watch English movies or TV shows. Try to pick up the accent and pronunciation. It really helps.
Good idea. And I guess reading extensively could also make a difference. I need to build my vocabulary.
Spot on, Emma. Read newspapers, books, or even online articles. Make it diverse, covering various topics to widen your vocabulary.
Right? And speaking of diversity, maybe I should find a language exchange partner. Someone who's a native English speaker and wants to learn my language.
That's a fantastic idea. It'll give you a chance to practice conversational English. Plus, you'll get immediate feedback.
True. Do you know any good websites or apps for finding language exchange partners?
Sure, you can try Tandem or HelloTalk. They connect language learners from around the world. You can find native English speakers there.
Thanks, Alex. I'll check those out. What about grammar? Any quick tips for improving that in a short time?
Grammar can be tricky, but doing exercises regularly can help. Websites like Grammarly or using English grammar workbooks can be quite effective.
Got it. So immersion through movies and TV shows, diverse reading, finding a language exchange partner, and focusing on grammar exercises. Seems doable in a month, right?
Absolutely, Emma. Consistency is key. Practice a little every day and you'll see improvement. And hey, if you ever want to practice, count me in.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate the support. Let's do this.
Please hit the like button to support us.
Hi, Ryan. I really want to speak English like a native speaker. Do you have any tips?
Hey, Emily. Absolutely, it's a great goal. First off, try listening to native speakers as much as you can. Watch English movies or listen to English songs.
That sounds fun, Ryan. But sometimes I find it hard to understand them. Any advice?
Don't worry, Emily. It takes time. Start with simple content and gradually move to more challenging ones. Also, try listening to podcasts or audiobooks to get used to different accents.
Good idea, Ryan. What about speaking? I feel a bit nervous when I try to talk.
It's normal to feel nervous, Emily. Practice speaking with a friend or even in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Speaking of friends, how about finding a language exchange partner?
Excellent suggestion, Emily. You can find someone who wants to learn your language and you both can help each other. It's a great way to practice conversation.
I'll try that, Ryan. And what about grammar? I want to speak correctly.
Grammar is important, Emily. Read English books or articles to see how sentences are structured. Also, try using language learning apps for grammar exercises.
Thanks, Ryan. I'll start incorporating these tips into my routine. Anything else?
Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone and social media language settings to English. The more you immerse yourself, the more natural it becomes.
Got it, Ryan. Thanks for the advice. I'm excited to start practicing and improving my English.
You're welcome, Emily. Just take it step by step and you'll see progress. Practice and patience are the keys to speaking like a native speaker.